Alright, y'all, so today, man, I'm gonna be cooking these ribs right here, man. I'm gonna throw them on the grill. I'm gonna smoke them up something real nice, and yeah, I'm just gonna talk to the people. So first things first, I want to let y'all know how I'm starting it off, man. This is the barbecue sauces that I'm rocking with, man. As you can see, got the Blue Hog series. I got the Tennessee Red. I never used this right here before, but I'm gonna use this today. I got the Smoky Mountain and the Champion Blend, and obviously we got y'all salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic salt is what I'm gonna use. All right, and I got these tangerines here that I'm gonna let the ribs basically marinate in it. Gotta have the gloves. So here we go. All right, y'all. So the first thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take this tangerine and I'm just gonna like squeeze out all the juices on this rib. Just gonna like try to squeeze it, let it get in there. Before I do the salt and pepper, I'm just gonna squeeze these juices. Yeah, it can get a little messy, but hey, this is the process, bro. The process is the process. I just want to squeeze out all the juices on top of this rib right now. All I want to do, all the juices. All right, let's get it in there. It's gonna hit. I'm telling y'all, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all like, yo, Busy, why you doing this, bro? Like, why you doing a cooking channel? You think you a chef now? How did I think I'm a chef? Just, man, I can do whatever I want. And as soon as everybody realized that you could do whatever you want, you don't have to be boxed in to nothing. So we're gonna flip this rib. There we go. Flip that joint. Get some more for the back end. I'm telling you, I've never done this before, but in my brain, this is about to hit, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this is gonna hit, and I'm gonna put the tangerine peels in there when I actually grill it / smoke it. That's how I'm rocking today. For me personally, I like to throw a little salt on my ribs. I don't want to do too many flavors. It's a little salt just to get it right. All right. A little bit of salt. Sprinkle some garlic salt on it, man. You know, black people, man, we gotta have a garlic salt. We gotta add a garlic salt / garlic powder. This is Blue Hog. You'll find this in Walmart. They got different flavors. Make sure y'all shake it up before y'all put it on. Shake it up real good. I've never used this. I tried it. This one is like a watery substance. So it's a different type of barbecue sauce, but we're gonna use this to build on our flavor. Smoky Mountain Blend. My wife likes this. Rub it around in it. I'm gonna rub it around some. Rub it around, rub it around, rub it around. Don't be scared to get your hands dirty. Use gloves. Put this. Swirl it around, swirl it around. I'll call this is the Trinity. The Trinity is all three of the Blue Hog barbecue sauces. Get all three, rubbing them around. There you go. Alright. Last of the blend, we're gonna use my favorite, which is this right here, is the Champion's Blend. This really got that smoky. So now I'm about to just bring the ribs out, slap them on there, and then I gotta clean up the mess I did because it is a little bit messy. So you guys bear with me. So now I got the ribs. Got the ribs on out here. You gotta understand what I'm saying, man. Got the ribs. Alright, so basically, this is what we got going on right now. The ribs are out here. The grill is smoking. Real nice like we like it. Alright. So you just want to grab these ribs. Slap them on. Slap them on. Grab these right here. Just place them on there, bro. Place them on there. Place all the peels on the actual ribs. Place them on there, just like that. Just like that, bro. I'm gonna show y'all something. I'm gonna show y'all how to do this. Now, typically, I would cook this for about 6 hours, 7 hours sometimes. But I'm gonna do it the fast way today, so it's maybe gonna take a couple hours. Yeah, man. Let's close this up. And we're gonna come back when it is cooking. Alright, guys, I was just telling your brother. Now I'm gonna make the best ribs he ever had in his life.
Oh my gosh.
Do you believe I will?
Bro is so weird.
Do you believe it? Will you eat my rib?
No.
Eat my rib! She's a hater. She's always been one of my biggest haters, guys. Don't worry about her.
No, you can eat your rib, not your rib.
She's a hater. Man, so while we waiting on these ribs to cook right now, man, I'm just gonna give y'all a little life update on what I've been doing. You know what I'm saying? Like what I've been trying to achieve in life. So basically, like from the last video, y'all understand that I'm on a mission right now to spread God's word. I'm on a mission right now to do something that's not serving to me, right? So I am procrastinating on that. Like, I'm gonna be real with y'all. Like, I got a lot of music. I think I'm trying to do like songs and like videos that spread the word in a way that I want it to be spread. But I've been procrastinating on that, and I'm not gonna lie, it's been a thing that I've been battling with. It's like I feel like lately I ain't had the passion for it. Like I don't have the passion to make it, like it's just not connecting right for some reason. Like I don't got the urge that I used to have to create music. So when I create music, I create it, but I feel like I never finish it. So that's the hold up right now. That's why y'all don't see me on this channel. That's why y'all don't see me on the internet, Instagram, Facebook, all of that. Y'all don't see me because honestly, I don't have the drive for it. But today, you know what I'm saying, I thought I wanted to get on here and to show you guys that I can cook ribs. Like, so that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, man, ribs are gonna be good and the fam gonna eat. But basically, man, I just want to come on here and let y'all know, like, I'm still me. I'm still busy, and I'm still doing things. It just you guys just don't get to see it currently. But I'm trying to find a way to where I can correct that and then still be present on the internet doing something that's like, you know, constructive, something positive for the people, doing something for God. I'm not perfect, so anybody out there watching this video, if y'all think I'm trying to like rebrand to be this perfect guy, I'm not this perfect guy. I've never said I was this perfect guy. I'm still struggling with the idea of going back to doing what I was doing before. Like it'd be like, dang, yo, I can just go back and I can just do what I'm doing and I can just make money. But ultimately I know that's not what I'm supposed to do, so I reject it. So if you guys ever see me on this channel going back to what I was doing, just know that's the internal battle that I'm battling with myself, literally. Like I don't wanna cap on this channel for y'all at all, bro. I just want to keep everything 100 with everybody out there. I think everybody out there is capable of doing something greater than what they're doing, and I'm just trying to reach that level of greatness. So with that being said, man, I just hope everybody out there having a great week whenever you're watching this video. I'm feeling good right now, so that's all that matters, man. Thank God for allowing me to see this day. You know what I'm saying? I got my daughter's birthday coming tomorrow. Everything's good, man. My family don't want for nothing. I got a job. I'm still able to do what I'm doing, and I feel blessed. So thank you guys for watching this video, and hopefully the family enjoy these ribs that I'm cooking right now. It's about to be fire. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so I let the ribs cook for a minute. As you guys can see, man, the ribs is done. Like a little black to my rib. It's a little bit black to it, you know what I'm saying? I like mine like this. So right now I'm gonna cut into it. You guys can see what's happening with it. Cut down the middle. Let's see what's going on with this rib. So I'm about to try this rib out. See what it hit for. Not bad. See that rib, man. Hold on, bro. They can't even see it. You gotta like. Oh man, there you go. Look at that right there. You see the smoke coming off of that joint, bro. This is what y'all want, man. This is what y'all want right now. I just want to taste the meat. Pause. I just want to taste the meat. Pause.
Guys, today will be.
Jordan, move in there.
Daddy said I get first spot.
I don't know who your daddy is, but he ain't here.
See them ribs right there?
Who that? Who the cameraman?
Get them ribs. Get them ribs.
Jordan and Melody. Stop, Melody. Stop.
Get in them ribs.
Hands aren't clean.
Get in there.
Yours aren't clean.
Somebody bite them.
I saw you walk out of the bathroom without washing your hands.
That's a lie.
What do you mean that's a lie?
Really a lie.
Get them ribs, bro.
It's a bone, man.
Get them ribs, bro. Cut them ribs up. Cut them ribs.
Can I do?
Well, Jordan, come here.
Yeah.
Try it, rib.
Wash your hands first.
Make the Jordan a piece.
Wash your hands first.
Wow, really tasty bone.